This morning. The light snow picking up a little bit now farther east of the Metroplex. We're still going to have a few flakes around as we get south of I-20, heading down into Ellis County as well. Some very light snow still coming down, but more accumulation, I think, a little farther east here. And it's going to be mostly in the form of snow across the area, but a little bit of a mixture out there for us today as well. So there will be some sleet mixed in at times. Do want to bring Mariel in now to talk about the reason that we're seeing more snow here than anything else this morning.
Yeah, you know, we were talking about this the last 24 hours, and one of those reasons being just how dry it is. And you see that purple across east and southeast Texas. That is sleet. So I'll get into that. But what we watch basically is the temperature, not just from the base of the cloud where that precip is leaving, but also throughout its entire journey to the ground. If it's snow like what we're seeing now, that's where temperatures are at or below freezing. We are well below freezing between the base of the cloud all the way to the ground. That's what's giving us the snow. And the reason why it is so dry, it's because our air is really dry. We don't have a lot of moisture to deal with. That Arctic air that moved in is very dry. And then we are going to eventually see that transition to sleet the more east you go. And this is the tricky part. It's because we have a very thin layer of elevated air that is actually warmer and it's above 32 degrees. So we have this frozen precip leaving the cloud, and then once it's falling, it starts to melt because temperatures are above 32, and then it freezes the closer it gets to the ground. And then that freezing rain, that's when we have a much larger layer of warm air, which we're not seeing. That's good. Here, most of North Texas, we're looking at dry snow, and that's good. That's best case scenario. But east of North Texas and in southeast Texas, we're looking at that little bit of a transition to freezing rain. And luckily, we're not going to see that. It looks like we'll see snow maybe transition to sleet at times, Greg.
Yeah, but you mentioned